Hi friends, welcome to my channel again. So today I am going to unbox a new model. Without wasting time, let's do it first. As you can see, here is my new model. This is 98 Subaru Impreza 22B STI version from Hot Wheels. This is from Hot Wheels the 90s series. These models are from the 90s series are often very cool. Let's take it out first, then we will discuss briefly on it. So as you can see, here is my model. This is a cool casting from Hot Wheels. One of the rarest model, I can say. Not very rarest, but it's quite hard to find. If we come to the side profile, we can see here is written the Gravel Crew, Leeway, Hot Wheels logo is here, and 3610 and the other sponsors are there. You can see the two rear view mirror. Also, if we say in the front profile, there is nothing too much to say, but you can see that here is the two detailed headlamps and the Subaru logo is quite visible. You can feel the vent here and here also. The indicators are quite good, and in the right the same goes on. Over the top we can say there is nothing too much to say. Here is a vent actually. The sports cars must have this in their body, and in the back they didn't detailed actually. If they did detailed this model, I have seen a blue model, same Hot Wheels model, which have the detailings in both front and both back, but this model doesn't have it. In the back you can see actually they didn't detail the back lamps, so if we detailed it with a red color or a orange color, it will go for it. And there is a number plate here and the exhaust pipe is here. The spoiler looks good. If we come to the interior, we can see there is nothing too much to say. Let me show you. Yes, there is nothing too much to say, but the good interior in a blue color actually, so it's actually cool. Then underneath it you can see here is written Hot Wheels. The name is actually written here, and let me show you. And here is written 2029 metal and the other themes. The rims are quite good. It's in grey spokes and these rims are very smooth. You can use this model in track. It will go very fast in my opinion. So that's it. Here it's a good model to collect. So if you are a JDM lover, you will definitely go for it. It's a quite good model, and if you get it, I will recommend you to grab it as soon as possible. So that's it. This is one of my favorite 22 variants. It's not just a pretty, it tells about story. Whether you are really into rally, JDM or just awesome casting, this belongs to in your collection. I would give it a solid 9 out of 10, and honestly it might feel be the best rally style livery Hot Wheels has ever done in 22B so far. So if you like my video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. But again, don't leave the video right here. There are some cinematic shots after this. Let's enjoy it. Okay, goodbye.